Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Life as Bella. I know it's been a pretty long time coming, but this is actually my second video. It's better late than never, right? Okay, let's get into this. I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial, you know, because I'm wearing a little blue today, so I'm gonna do a little blue glam. We're gonna call it the Icey blue world. I'm sorry, but you know, the Icey blue. So let's get into this. Did my eyebrows off camera. I blended out and covered my face with my foundation. This is what I use in the shade of 355. Yes, using the mini palette from Juvia's in the shade of this blue and this blue. See, so I'm gonna use this color first. This, actually, dab that in the
right here. Dab. I'm gonna take my time just to show you guys. Hi, girl, be doing a little makeup, okay? Okay. Tap in. Yes, I'm tapping it in. Y'all know the vibes, okay? You know, and 2 eyes at a time. That's what's... Oh my God, I'm so sorry. That's what's up. I'm gonna use the shade Kelsey right here.
the Festival palette, and this one in the shade of we this right here with this blue right there. But anyways, I have big wide eyes. Oh, y'all see this color? Hold on, y'all see this color though? Oh my God, dang, that is beautiful. Oh my God, like for real though, on some real, blend it out. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. Like, hit. This is beautiful. I want to leave it like this, but you know what? No. I'm going to add this white. Takes away the color, but oh, it's actually, yeah. When I do my eyes, I tend to focus so much, but wait, so I'm gonna show you how to, yes, this is nice, guys. Let me know in the comments, like, for real though. Hold on, seriously, this is actually nice. Okay, you did a great job, girl. Give yourself a pat on the back, for real. Oh wow, this is nice though. But anyways, now I'm gonna add some glitter, which is this. I'm gonna cover it up, but let me know in the comments, do you guys like how it's coming out? Oh, hold on. Oh my God, this is pretty. Yo, this is nice. Oh my God, my mom conversation, you know, not to be nosy, but cut that out, okay? My mom, oh, now this is my favorite. I love it, okay? I love it. So now, okay, so hey guys, I'm back. I went and done my lashes off camera. Okay, so now I'm about to my waterline. I'm using my white milk pencil, jumbo pencil. can't even see. I'm sorry, guys. Yo, this look pretty, bro. This is so pretty. Ah, I'm so extra, okay? Right there. Okay, guys, so now I'm about to put the concealer under my eye. I'm using the shade almond. I don't want to come out like.
Is it for real? Why you don't want to come out?
See what your girl do. Tap, tap, tap it. What's up? So now we about to blend, okay? You about to blend, blend, blend.
Damn.
So guys, every time I'm getting ready, I take forever, okay? It doesn't matter what am I doing, like simple or not. Your girl just gotta take her time. You know, anyways, I don't gotta do too much. I don't need makeup, but I love to wear it. Guys, I want you guys to comment down below and let me know more videos you would like to see from me. Of course, more tutorials finna come. Yes, of course. Blend, yes. So
Yeah. We just use this brush too.
ooh, woo, ooh, wait. Ooh, I'm not even done yet, okay? Just to show y'all that shit. Your girl ain't got no time. My favorite, ultimate favorite, bake. Yeah, of course I'm using banana powder, of course. I don't really put a lot. You know, I don't really bake that much. Cutie, what's up? Huh? Huh? Oh, you in my business? Don't do that. Come on, don't do that. Oh my God. Please, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification, okay? Your girl is back on. Tap, 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 pen. It's the lip for me. I got big, juicy lips. Please like and share. Ooh, yes. Okay, I already know what lip gloss I want to do. Probably this LA Color nude lip, or it's like a minty shimmery. What y'all think? What y'all think? This, or they're basically the same, but this probably a matte, you know? What? Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
This is nice. This is nice. Let me see. What about this?
Mm. Oh my God. Hold on. I'm about to cry. Hold on. Dang. It's so beautiful. This is a loose highlighter. Let me just try it. from Juvia's. This is my first time trying it. Later, what I'll be using? That's the bomb. Ooh. What? Hold on. What?
No,
Oh my.
But look at his face though, like.
Okay, y'all, I look up. Oh. Matte finish spray, hold on. Now, my hair, okay, I look a little I look a little cray. It keeps it laid. Wow, you did a great job, Bella. Like, ooh, this is. Yo, this is so pretty. This is my finished look. God, I'm so. Come here. I'm calling my mom. Y'all gonna see what she gonna say.
Really?
Beautiful, gorgeous.
Oh wow!
I wish y'all can see her reaction, but God.
Oh man!
Yo, this is so pretty.
Oh wow!
Okay, mom, cut it out.
Oh
Shit.
no!
Oh my God, making me feel myself.
Oh,
I'm feeling myself.
My God.
Beautiful, huh?
Oh my God!
Yeah, zip it.
I zip it.
Period.
Oh, I hot. Make me hot, man.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to turn on y'all post notifications. Like, subscribe, share, okay? And comment down below what you guys want to see. Thank you guys. See you next time.
Wow!
I feel so.
So nice.
Thank you, baby.
So.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Oh,
I got a sticker.
Oh, really? So nice.
Screenshot, guys.
So sexy, girl. Sexy, my daughter.
Thank you, babe. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, tune in.
Beguya. Beguya. Beguya.